What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Tanner Weidman of Barbarian Bike. Today we've got an at-home, no equipment, lower abdominal workout routine. This thing is tough. We're going to be going through the first round right here. We got 6 very intense exercises. We're going to perform each one for 30 total seconds, rest 7 seconds. If you guys want to push yourselves, try and repeat the workout 2 total times. If you really want to challenge yourselves, try and repeat the workout 3 total times. And be sure to let me know down in the comment section how far you were able to get. Let's just get straight into this one. All right, we're going to start this workout by beginning with some mountain climbers. Going to get into position here. Again, we've got a total of 30 seconds for each exercise. I'm not looking for the fastest repetitions, and I want you to focus on contracting your abdominals as you bring those knees forward. It's going to help to warm up those lower abdominals and actually your whole core here as we get into some of the more lower abdominal isolating exercises. 10. We're going to get into reverse crunches next. 7, 6, 5, 4. Good. Breathing. And good. Switching up now. 7 seconds. And down nice and low here. What we're going to do is legs completely straight, feet off the ground, bring them towards the chest, and bringing those hips off the ground. I want that posterior pelvic tilt. That's what's going to help you to activate those lower abdominals there. Again, not looking for speed of repetitions, but quality of repetitions. Recruit those lower abdominals. Bring those hips off the ground. Don't let those heels touch the floor. Good. And perfect. Next we got into flutter kicks here. So on a slight angle, hands right beside you. Okay, fluttering, control, 30 seconds. This one might be a bit tough, so you might need to take a break or two in between each set, just as I will. And then back into it. Again, control here. Doing good. Push here, push. Good. Next exercise, staying in the same position here, we're going to get some side-to-side heel taps. So, distance of about 1 foot. Tap the heels on the ground, and then rotate to the other side. Resting up, back into it. Good. 2 more exercises after this. Oh, those should be burning right now. Keep your breaths nice and short. Next, we're going to be getting into raised plank. So up, I'm bringing that knee to the chest, okay? I want you to focus on really getting posterior pelvic tilt as you're pulling those legs in. And that's really going to make this exercise a lot more difficult than it normally would be. 10 more seconds. Good. Pushing 5 more seconds. Let's go. Good. Finishing exercise, jumping mountain climbers. In position, 30 seconds. Let's go. 25 more seconds. 15, halfway. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And good. Whew. So there you guys go. That concludes the first round of this very difficult lower abdominal exercise. As I mentioned, if you guys want to push yourselves, try and repeat the workout 2 total times. If you really want to give yourself a challenge, I challenge you to try and repeat this workout 3 total times. And if you do make it to the second or the third round, then be sure to let me know down in the comment section if you can do more. I'd definitely be interested in that as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, then be sure to smash that like button down below. And also be sure to subscribe for weekly workout tips and nutrition tips that you will not want to miss. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. I'll see you all in the next video.